All right, quick video here on a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, changing the turn signal bulb, and started out going a little bit the long way. Wanted to take the headlight out and figured that was the easier route, and actually that is not required at all. For this particular model, all we need to do, come down in here, this harness right here, we just need to turn it counterclockwise, and once we do that, just turn, it will come out, and there we have the bulb. At this point, the bulb will actually come straight out. So let's take a look at once we pull this out. Comes out real easily like that. And then we can replace. And in this particular case, I got the 3757A. Check with the auto parts store or wherever you're ordering from online, making sure that you have the right bulb for your particular van in case there's any variations in the model year. Once you have it, you can just put it right back into the same slot. So I'm just going to push down. It snaps in place. And once we have that done, come back down in here. And this time, the hardest part I found was to get it to, once again, go flush. So if you want to use as a guide, you can kind of come into the front and see when it pops all the way through. And one of the mistakes that I made was that it was, I wasn't going far enough for it to get to all the way through. So once it pops all the way through, then you can turn it clockwise again, and it'll go into place. Make sure you give it a little bit of a pull to make sure that it's re-engaged. No need to remove the harness itself. It comes out as a whole piece. And that's how you change the turn signal on a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. Hope this helped. Have a great day.